Now here is a look at the current flooding situation for the rivers out there, and you can see that up in Humboldt they are finally in a moderate flooding stage. They're not in that major flood stage anymore, so that is good. And right now, if it continues to go down, we could actually see it go into a minor flood stage as we go into next week. Now Fort Dodge and Stratford are still going to go see those levels slowly decline as we go on throughout the week, but we could also see more improvements with those as well. However, Saylorville is still rising. It's expected to go 5 more feet, get up to 877 feet before it starts to slowly come down with the rest of them. Now, as far as today goes, we have a chance to see those spotty showers. You can see them coming across the state, but it's not going to really affect too many plans today because it's just going to be a little bit of rain and then it's going to continue on. And then as we go into Saturday, that's when things start to change a little bit. We have a nice sunny day to start out with, but then the clouds build in the afternoon. Then the storms start to arrive in the evening. This is looking at 9 p.m. on Saturday. You can see that there is showers and storms across the state at this time. And so this looks like the big rain event that we could have this weekend, but for the most part, we're really not going to see too much rain. In fact, going from today all the way until Monday night, you can see that the most that some of us will see is maybe an inch of rain. And so that is over a few days, and that is some good news. That means we're not going to see flash flooding with a lot of these rain events that we'll have. However, there is an excessive heat warning to the west, heat advisory to the east, but we are going to start warming up as well. This is look at the next 8 to 14 days. You can see that we are going to be more likely than warm going into the next couple of weeks. But right now it is going to be nice. We do have those clear skies, and we're only sitting at 63 degrees right now, so it is pretty nice outside. However, the winds are starting to pick up. You can see that the temperatures across the state are in those 60s. Some of us are still in those upper 50s, but we're going to get a little bit warmer today. But we are going to be a little bit on the breezy side. You can see that we could see those wind gusts up to 25 miles an hour until this evening. But we'll get up to 79 degrees today. It'll be nice. We'll get down to 60 degrees tonight. We'll see those clouds clear, and then things change going into the weekend. We'll have those 80s back. We'll see the storms, but next week looks like we'll have a time to dry out a little bit, and the 90s could return going into next weekend.